Throw out your paper towels. Just kidding. Don't get rid of your paper towels. There's definitely a time and a place for paper towels. However, I would certainly like to start using way less of them. So the project that I'm going to share with you guys today is how to make reusable paper towels. And this project is really easy. You don't even need a sewing machine if you don't have one. You will need to use 100% cotton flannel for this project. I have 1/3 of a yard of each of these 5 coordinating prints for 1 2/3 yards total, and this will make 15 cloth towels measuring 11 inches by 11 inches. So cut out your squares of fabric, 11 inches by 11 inches, and if you're gonna go for a no-sew method, just use a pair of pinking shears to cut out your squares. The sawtooth edge that these scissors leave helps prevent the fabric from fraying, and if this is how you choose to finish your edges, this is all you have to do. You can skip right to rolling them onto your paper towel tube. If you're going to use a sewing machine or a serger, what we're gonna do is round the corners of each of these squares. So we're gonna fold the square in half, top to bottom, and then again from left to right. And then you're gonna find something round, such as a glass. And you're gonna line it up with the 4 corners of the square like so. Then using a marking tool, trace the curve of the glass. Then cut along the edge. Now you have a nice rounded corner, and this will be simpler to sew or serge later on. If you are using a sewing machine, you will want to use either a zigzag stitch, such as number 4, or an overcast stitch, such as number 7 or number 16 on my machine. Then you're gonna sew along the edge of your towel, and the needle should just go over the edge of your fabric as you sew along the edge. And here is what a zigzag looks like. And here is what an overcast stitch looks like. Now I'm going to use my serger for my towels. So you're starting halfway along one side of your towel and going all the way along the edge. When you get to the end, you're gonna sew a couple of inches past your starting point, then pivot the fabric 90 degrees like so. Lift your presser foot if you need to, put it back down, and then serge off the fabric. And then you need to leave a tail a few inches long to weave in later. And this is a really quick project. Each one of these towels is only taking me about 60 seconds to serge. I spent more time cutting them out than I'm spending actually finishing the edges. Thread your tail onto a darning needle, then weave that tail into the serge stitches. Trim the tail away. Here's what that looks like. Next, get yourself an old paper towel tube or other tube cut down to 11 inches long. Then get your stack of finished towels and roll them onto your tube. Be sure to offset each towel by 1 inch or so that they lay flat and come off of the roll easily when you're peeling them off. And then once all your towels are rolled on, get yourself a paper towel holder. This is actually a candlestick holder that I got thrifting. Slide that puppy right on there. And there you go. Reusable paper towels. Put these somewhere. I'm putting mine right next to my other paper towels. So hopefully I will reach for these before I reach for the paper. And yeah, these paper towels are machine washable. Throw them in with a load of laundry and wash them like you would any other one of your hand towels. And according to the internet, the more times you wash flannel, the more absorbent it becomes. So the more you use these, the better they'll get at soaking up spills and other messes. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. And I'll see you next time. Bye!